Hi traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the ADX MTF indicator for MT4. All right, so after you must have downloaded the indicator and added it to your indicators folder, check the link in the description in order to get access to the web page where you can download the indicator. All right, just come back to your navigator and just refresh it. Okay, so having done that, you look for the ADX MTF indicator. Here we go. You drag and drop it to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked, and then you go to your input. You can see the customizable settings there, the time frame, the ADX period, DI period, BB squeeze, ARW shift, BOLPLD, BOLDEV, KALT period, the KALT factor, burst count, and your node time frames, right? So you can modify these values depending on the sensitivity that you desire to see in the indicator. Okay, and click on OK, and now we can see the indicator. Don't be afraid, it might look a bit complicated, but it's understandable, right? So this indicator helps you to strengthen your trend analysis. All right, it still functions with the ADX concept, and it's a multi-time frame indicator. Okay, so it displays your ADX readings, as you can see in the form of these lines, right? And then we have the histogram bars that is also showing you the strength of the trend alongside this lines. Okay, so the lines, or rather the signals I'm going to recommend that you pay attention to most especially are the colors of the bars. If the colors are green, you know that it's a bullish momentum. All right, if the colors are red, you know it's a bearish momentum. Simple. Secondly, you pay attention to the crossovers between the red line and the blue line. Okay, that's the second signal that you should pay attention to, right? When you have a crossover, to the upside, the red crosses above the blue to the upside, you look for bearish opportunity. Okay, and when you have a crossover, the blue crosses to the upside. Let's just remove this, right? So we can scroll. Okay, so when the blue crosses the red to the upside, you want to look for buy opportunity. So this is the second signal, right? The first is the color of the histogram bars, remember. The second is the crossover between the blue and the red line, and the third is this particular dark, is it dark green, or is it gray or black line, whichever. Okay, so this particular line, you want to look out for the line crossing above the 20 level, and even better above the 30 level. All right, so these are the three signals that you want to pay attention to. First of all, the color of the bars. If the bars are green, we have a bullish momentum, and then if you have a crossover between the blue and the red, the blue crosses the red to the upside. That is the second signal, or rather second confirmation of the first confirmation. And then you look out for this line crossing above the 30 level, and you have your third, or your third signal, which is your second confirmation, right? So when you have these three confluences, is a sign that you can take the bold step of executing the trade, right? So these are the three confluences you want to look out for. You execute your trade, ensure that you have confirmation from candlestick patterns as well, of course, and then employ proper risk management. Okay, so in the case of a bearish trade, ensure that you are in a bearish trend to start with. You want to look out for bearish opportunity in a bearish trend, and then you look out for the histogram bars turning red, and you look out for the red line crossing above the blue, and then you look out for you can see here this other line crossed above the 20 around this level. So this would have been the level that you consider entering your sell, although it crossed the 30. When it crossed the 30, it was already a bit late. All right, so that's the reason why the 20, maybe you can consider after it crosses the 20, so long as you have these other two signals. All right, you can consider when it crosses above the 20. Okay, so ensure you pay attention to your risk management. It's very, very important. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you're not yet subscribed, you can do that now so you don't miss out on more valuable insights on the Forex market. Stay safe, trade safe. Cheers, and God bless.